Now, Makita are known for their wacky inventions. We've seen the cordless coffee maker, the cordless cooler warmer, and more, but this might be one of their coolest gadgets yet. This right here is the Makita DMR056 radio lantern, yet another great addition to the 18V LXT range, meaning that it's compatible with all Makita 18V batteries. Now this is a perfect compact radio as well as a bright sight light. This will be able to keep you entertained and working whatever the hour or lighting condition. This is also going to be great for people that are going camping, fishing and stuff like that. Starting with the radio, you're getting a variety of options here. This is compatible with AM, FM, DAB+, and Bluetooth, so you can tune into your favourite radio stations or stream the tunes directly from your phone. And there's a handy backlit display on the front and buttons to let you control everything on the device. But if you turn it around, you'll find the lighting controls, which is very impressive because first of all, the shape allows for 360-degree light coverage, and there are a few lighting modes to choose from. So you have the full 360-degree mode, as well as a 270-degree mode, and then on the top, you have a torch mode and a strobe as well. Each light, apart from the strobe, has 3 tone settings too. You have daylight white, neutral, and warm. Another handy feature here is the USB port on the side. This lets you charge your phone if you're running low on battery, and so you can keep your Bluetooth tunes coming. So if you're a Makita fan or someone that finds himself working in low light environments often, then check out the DMR056 18V LXT radio lantern. It's available now at its.co.uk.